Hello, my name is Fred Kaufman, and I'm going to be teaching you about parabolas in math. So, what is a parabola? A parabola is basically an arc. If you've ever kicked a soccer ball in the air, it goes up, and it goes down. That's essentially what a parabola is. But when they come into math, they do get a little more complex than going up and then down. So, the three key things to a parabolic equation is the focus, this dot here, the vertex, and then the directrix. Alright, so those are your three key parts. Now, the focus to the vertex and then the vertex to the directrix is the same length. It's a proven fact. Although mine may not look exact in any problem that is measured out, it's correct. That's how it is. So basically from here to here and then from here to here, that's the same length. But it also works over here. So from here to there and then from there to there, that is the same length. Again, I apologize if my drawing is not necessarily up to par. But essentially, that is what it is. From the focus to the vertex, it's the same as the directrix to the vertex. And if it asks you to prove that, you can use the distance formula. What you do is you take your distance formula, radical over x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And then basically you balance it, and that will prove that they are equal. Okay. So this is essentially what your problem will look like. I'll have the directrix here, vertex, focus. All right. Yeah. All right. So in this one, I've added values to it. So our focus is 1, 5. Our directrix is 1, -1. And our vertex is 1, 2. All right. So to this, there are two forms you can use when it comes to putting these in an equation. You have vertex form, which is the one I have right here. Y equals a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. That's the one you're going to be using normally. But there's also another formula. It's standard form. And how you get to that is basically you simplify this out. But basically what it is excuse me, is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So to get that, you simply just simplify this formula, or vertex form. So what we have here is we have actually never mind. Alright, so what did the letters stand for in this formula? So H and K. H and K are the center, or the vertex. So this is 1 and that's 2. Now we have to find A. A is a little complex, but it's pretty simple. To find A, what you do is you put 1 over z times 4. But then the question arises, what is z? Z is the distance from the focus to the vertex. Alright? So basically, in this case, that is 3. What you do is you plug in 3 for z. So it would be 1 over 3 times 4, so 1 over 12. So essentially, your final formula in vertex form would be y equals 1 over 12, parentheses x minus 1 squared plus 2. And that is how you do solve a basic problem in math that has to do with parabolas. Thank you for watching.